Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see deleted Facebook Messenger messages on any phone using a simple and safe method. We will be using Direct Chat app from the Play Store to recover deleted chats without root and without touching your Messenger backup. So let's jump straight into the steps. Open Google Play Store on your phone and search Direct Chat. Select the Direct chat head and bubbles. Select the install option. After installation done, open the app and give it the necessary permissions. Turn on the overlay permission. Select direct chat and allow display over other apps and select go back. Enable notification turn on. Select the direct chat and allow notification access turn it on and select allow and then go back and select get started. Select this right arrow option. After opening it, select the applications. In here, you just need to disable every options except the messenger and then go back. And now select test chatted and this icon will be appear on top of the screen. Close and open the messenger and use it normally. Now, if someone sends a message and deletes it, just open this direct chat and you will be able to see everything that was removed, text, emojis, and even media previews. That's it. Your deleted messenger chats are now fully visible, and that's how you can see deleted Facebook Messenger messages on any phone using the Direct Chat app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more messenger tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.